no concept of directly you can get with the job with your BTech knowledge or your degree knowledge. With your BTech knowledge or a degree knowledge, that is not able to enough for getting with software job here. It's mandated that you have to showcase to the interviewer in saying that you are comfortable with the specific technology. Not required all the knowledge here. At least you have to inform them. You have to give the information that you are comfortable in working with any of the specific knowledge you are having. Then only it will be easy to get clear with the interview or to get with that particular IT job here. So further, you are taking care about in doing the training program. In that particular training program or in that particular job role in the IT industry, if I'm taking with the job roles in this particular IT industry, if I'm taking with the job roles in the IT industry, the one job we can say that BA or what I will mention SME or Scrum Master. The one training program you may heard about BA training program, or we can call as SME training program, or you can consider that Scrum Master. If I'm taking this particular training program, if I'm taking with this particular training program, it is not at all suggestible for fresher level. So I mean, in case of fresher level, if you are thinking about doing this training program as a fresher level, if you are thinking about doing this particular training program, there is no use of that. It is not at all suggestible. In the same way, it is not at all suggestible for experience level. I mean, experience level means having with the gap for that particular people also. It is not at all suggestible for doing this particular training program. That BA or SME or Scrum Master, this kind of training program is not at all suggestible for fresher level, not at all suggestible for experience level, having with the gap. Then who can think about doing this training program? Who can think about doing this particular training program is the one who has been already working in IT. The persons who has been already working in the IT for the minimum of 5 years. In general, will suggest that the minimum of 5 years, because the person already working in the IT industry for the 5 years, lot of projects he used to handle, lot of project he will work. So 5 years means, is that he will work only one project in 5 years? According to the IT companies, is it in the whole 5 years he will work only for one project? No, right? So you can take care about in working with different type of project. Because of that, it will be very clear about in working with or in handling with different type of projects. As he got already having with that particular 5 years of IT experience, having all that particular practical knowledge, for them, it will be very easy in taking care about, in gathering with requirements from client. It will be very easy to gather with the requirements from client, because that is what the job role of BA. As a BA job role is he need to take care about in gathering with the requirements from client. Not only gathering the requirement, he need to take care about in doing with requirement analysis. Not only that, he has to take care about in doing with design activity. So the BA job role, taking care about requirements gathering, requirement analysis, and will be taking with design. If you want to take care about these particular things, it's not like as a fresher level or having with the gap. For them, it will not be very easy to play this particular job role. Because of that, it has been already mentioned that, so the one who are thinking about this BA job role, BA training program, it has been suggestible the one who has been already working in IT. So the persons who has been already working in the IT, for them, it will be suggestible in taking care about in doing this particular training program. So for your level, straight away, it is not at all suggestible. If you are thinking about doing that kind of training program, there is no use of that. Along with that, so one job role in the IT industry, we can say that BA. Along with that, you got another job role. What is it? Developer. This developer, what need to be done? Taking care about coding. If I'm taking with developer job role, this developer job role, it can be suggestible for fresher level. Very straight away, it can be suggestible for fresher level, or it can be suggestible for experience level having with gap also. If I'm taking this particular developer job role, if we go with this current market, in this particular current market, related to that coding, related to developer, what kind of training programs are there? Training programs. Java developer, you're having Python developer, taking with .NET, taking with C, taking with C++, C Sharp, lot of things are there. In case of some people interested about database, they got an option of Oracle developer, SQL developer, taking with Hadoop, and taking with big data. Nowadays, lot of developer training programs are there in this current market. But see that everything related to developer only. But is that you want to get in a job as a developer, is that you have to take care about doing all the trainings here? Is that he'll go within doing all the trainings of Java, .NET, Python, C Sharp, Oracle, all the trainings he will do? No, you have to take care about only anyone from all these particular developer job role. Everything related to developer. The Java, you have to take care about coding. Python, you have to take care about coding. The .NET, you have to take care about coding. everything related to the coding part. In case of you guys has been very much comfortable about in writing with the logic. If you guys are more comfortable in writing with the logic or more interested in doing with the coding, very straight away you can think about, very straight away you can think about developer job role. I'm trying to give a very clear information. It's not like I was taking care about testing training and mandatory that all you guys need to join only testing. Related to the IT, I'll try to give all the information. See that where exactly you guys are comfortable on that. According to that, you have to take care about in doing the training program. Don't just blindly join with any of the training program to just kill with the time. Be very serious about where exactly you are comfortable. You join the training program means at any cost, you have to complete that, you have to learn the subject, you have to get the job. That should be the target. Then only you have to join the training program. Because you guys are not doing these training programs for free. Anyone doing this for free? For free you are doing. They'll ask you for fees maybe by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. They'll start asking the fee for you guys here. It's not like this training program is free. And that too, this particular training program, what is the fee of this training program? What is it? 6,000. So the fee of this particular training program is 6,000. That's not like a very small amount. Maybe for you guys that is very small amount. Small amount, sir. Very small amount, sir. 1 month of hostel fee, sir. So it has been at that particular amount you have to pay. It's not like in a very small amount or whatever it can be. You have to pay the fee. As you are paying with it, the fee of 6,000 means you have to utilize that. You need to learn with the subject. That is what exactly you guys need to be very clear before joining with any of the training programs here. So in that, as simple as if you guys are very much comfortable in doing with the logic, I mean, thinking about logic or comfortable in doing with the coding, very straight away, you can think about any one training program related to developer job role. All these are training program related to that particular job role here. You have to take care about anyone at the Java or Python or .NET, C, whatever it can be. Where exactly you are comfortable, according to that, you have to think about in doing the training program. In case of you have been decided with Java in the very perfect way, you have to take care about doing the training program and you need to start attending with the interviews of Java related openings here. It's not like you done the training program of Java training and thinking about attending with the interview of Python developer openings. Is that possible? You've done Java training, but you're thinking about attending with the interview of Python developer job openings. Is that possible? No. Even though that is Java developer or Python developer, Java means you have to attend with the companies where exactly you are able to see that Java related project, that Java related openings. In case of you done with the Python training, you have to take care about in attending with interviews related to that particular Python openings here, in which companies that particular Python job openings are there. You have to take care about in attending the interview for that companies. You have to restrict that particular companies. You need to learn the subject. You have to take care about attending with the interview. As simple as if you guys are comfortable in taking care about this programming, coding, and more comfortable in writing the logics, very straight away I can think about developer job role. In case of not comfortable in doing with the coding, not interested in doing with the coding, then I can think about tester job role. That particular tester, what need to be done? Tester, what need to be done? Testing. In case of you are comfortable with programming, coding, comfortable about the logic, very straight away think about developer job role. If you are not comfortable with any of programming, not interested in the coding, the one option you can think about tester job role. Related to developer job role, you have different training programs. In the same way, related to testing, what kind of training programs are there? Related to testing. What is that? Software testing. Related to developer, a number of training programs. Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer, C developer, C++ developer, lot of training programs. But testing, sorry, as part of testing, you are having with only one training program. What is the training program? What is the training program? Software testing. That software testing, which is includes of manual testing and automation testing. I mean, in this current market, there is no job role of Java testing, Python testing, or .NET testing. There is no such kind of training programs in the market. You are having only one training program. What is the training program? What is it? Software testing. You are having only one training program that you will be taking with software testing. What kind of software you will test? What kind of software you will test? Any kind of the software. It can be any software, any technology you are taking care about in doing with the testing of manual testing and automation testing. So this particular testing training program, the tester job role, it can be suggestible for fresher level, or it can be suggestible for experience level having that particular gap. I mean, anyone who want to enter into the IT industry, most of the time, the one who has been already working as a developer, they want to be convert as a tester. Anyone who want to go with the testing, the very simple IT job, you can think about the testing training program. In IT, that is the flexibility we're having. Assume that in case of anyone started their career as a developer, not like mandatory that they have to retire as a developer. It's not like they started the career as a developer and they need to get retired as a developer. You have an option in between. You can change your career from developer to tester or tester to any other. That kind of flexibilities are there in the IT industry. Because of that reason, in the starting days of your career, always your way of thinking to enter into IT industry. You have to think about first enter into the IT industry and get the IT job. Once he got an IT job, once he work for 1 year or 2 years, after that we can play lot of games for getting the more salaries or to change the career. All that kind of flexibilities are there. Because of that, always you guys need to think about how you can get enter into IT industry. So for now, the very regular job, I mean, if I'm taking with this particular IT industry, the very regular job as part of IT, BA or SME or Scrum Master. Another one mentioned about developer and then mentioned about taking with tester. These are a very common job role. BA, developer, tester. The one already having the IT experience, they can think about BA. Comfortable with coding, interested in logic, think about developer. Not comfortable in coding, not interested in coding, very easily need to enter into the IT, think about testing. Apart from that, you got one more job role, which I will be saying that admin role. What exactly mean by this admin role? What is this particular job? Admin role, admin job is taking care about in doing with the activity of live environment or production. BA taking care about requirements. Developer taking care about coding. Tester thinking about testing. Admin thinking about live environment or production. I mean, in this current IT market, if you want to get deliver a very successful software into the market, if you want to release a very successful software into the market, only BA not enough. Only developer is not enough. Only tester also not enough. All the people need to get work together. Then only you have a chance of to deliver a very successful software in this IT market. Because of that reason, in this current market, we are having with equal preference for all the IT job. It's not like developer is important, tester is important, or admin is important. Everyone is important in this particular current IT job role. That is the reason nowadays lot of new things, lot of new technologies you are able to see in the market. You guys need to see that where you can easily learn with the subject, where you can get more comfortable, and you need to be see that where you are very much interested in getting clearing with the interviews here. That is what I need to look into that. This admin role is, you may heard about Unix. Heard about it? Unix. Unix, or some people may heard about Linux or Linux. I mean, in case of the persons who has been already having with the knowledge of Unix, in case of you guys are already more comfortable with the Unix commands or Linux commands, you can easily think about with the training program of, what about it? AWS. One more you may heard about it. Heard it? DevOps program. So here, I mean, I'm trying to give the clear information. If you guys are already comfortable with this Unix program, Unix commands, all Linux commands, For them, it will be more easy to learn with the concepts of AWS or DevOps. Because of that reason, you can cross-check the training program or course content of AWS or this DevOps. They will say that Linux is mandatory here. Because the one who are already knowing that particular Unix commands or Linux commands, for them, it will be more easy to learn that particular AWS or DevOps. And some people will be there very much interested in the night shifts or working with the servers. If the people are very much interested to deal with multiple integrations or servers, you can think about this particular program of AWS or DevOps, because their job role is after completion of the testing, they'll take care about all the softwares. They will do the integration. Once that integration is done, they will move into all that particular code into the live environment or production. So they have to take care about in integrating with multiple tools here. Because of that reason, you guys can cross check that the course content of DevOps tools. You will be able to see list of the tools as part of the DevOps training program. It's not like only these people. Apart from this, you may heard about some more training program related to UI developer. What about it? UI developer, meaning of UI? User interface. That UI developer, the persons who are comfortable with HTML. So HTML, or we can say that JavaScript, or you will be taking with Bootstrap, the latest technologies, lot of things you are having it. You will be having with these particular things which are related to UI developer, user interface. Because if we take with any application, UI need to be designed. I can go with any of the applications. If I'm taking with that particular UI need to be designed. For example, if I'm taking this, you need to be able to see all the UI need to be designed first. So all that particular UI taking care about in designing by this UI developer. This UI developer will communicate with developers in writing all the logic. After that, it will come to the testing. After that, it will come to live environment or production. That is how you are able to see different kind of IT job roles here. Previously, the IT market, everything from the scratch. But now, not like mandatory that all the things need to be started from the scratch level. Everything is a different person. In one step, all the people will integrate, all the people will communicate, and then they will be integrating and delivering with a very successful software into the market. So the one he got, this particular UI developer. Apart from that, you may heard about another training program related to data science. In case of you guys are very much comfortable about in designing the respective algorithms here. If you are comfortable in designing with the respective algorithm, little bit that mass, you need to be get more comfortable in taking care about the design of algorithms. Very straight away, you can think about data science here. I mean, all these are like internally connected. All these particular IT people need to be get work together and then delivering a very successful softwares into the market. So the one you will be taking care about this particular UI developer and taking care about that particular data science. And some people very much interested like in the networking, they can think about in doing with Azure. Already having some network knowledge, more interested in taking care about related to that particular network activity, you can think about that particular Azure. Apart from this, nowadays you are able to see that lot of new programs here which you will be taking with and mentioning that particular Power BI related to the reporting activity, because all the things has been done, the reporting activities need to be done. In case of taking that particular reporting activities, analyzing all the results, need to take care about in analyzing all the results and need to be generate that particular respective business reports that they will be taking care about this Power BI, and then taking care about in having with lot of training program related to Salesforce. Under the Salesforce, lot of models are there. I mean, a number of training programs are there. So because of that, before doing any kind of the training program, first you guys need to be very clear about where exactly you are comfortable, where you are very much interested to learn the subject. Because once you decided with one training program or one technology, at any cost, you have to get the job in that. In that way, you need to have a target. It's not like for joining the Java, difficult thinking about other, again not getting the job, thinking about other. It's not like spending with the time in doing all the training programs here. So this is how you are able to see that different kind of IT job roles in this particular IT market. According to your comfortable, you have to see that where you are more interested. According to that, you need to take care about in doing that particular training program. So in this way, you have in a different type of job role. First, you guys think about where you are more comfortable. According to that, you can take care about in planning with doing that particular training program here. So this is how you have in a different technology. So all these particular training program in taking care about in completing the activities of SDLC. Meaning of SDLC? Software Development Life Cycle. So as part of SDLC, taking care about in having all these particular steps and then delivering a very successful software into the market. Okay, so this is what you need to be get look into that, having with all the different job roles here. Just you guys think about where exactly are more comfortable. According to that, you need to be get start your training program here. So this you need to take care about it. So we are not worried about all these things here. What is our training program? What is our training program? Need to avoid the mobiles in the classroom. Please avoid the mobiles in the classroom. No photos at all. I'll give it a time to make a note of it. Don't be worried about on that. Please avoid taking the photos in my classrooms here and avoid using the mobiles in the classrooms also. Okay. So now, if I'm taking with our training program, our training program is related to software testing. As part of software testing, what you are going to learn? Manual testing, automation testing using Selenium. After that, API testing using Postman and REST assured. Database testing using SQL. And then performance testing using JMeter. And finally, ChatGPT for software testing. So this is what you are going to learn in the next duration of 3 months. 3 months duration, consider that 100 days with the timings of 5:30 p.m. to 7:15. Plan according to that here. Okay. Got the notebooks? Pen? Open your notebooks, take your pen, and make a note of these things here. These things will give you a very clear picture. These things will give you very clear picture in understanding that. So what exactly you are going to learn. So just take with the main heading. I can mention like software job. I can take with the main heading is software job, and then taking care about having with all these particular points here. All the online students also, all the online students also, please maintain with the proper notebook. So I can take with the main heading software job. Under that, I can take care about and mentioning all these things here. Still anyone who came today first session? Like today very first session. Today very first session. Okay. Please take care about in maintaining with a very proper notebook for this training program. All the online students also, please take care about one proper notebook. I told that you will be getting the PDF files. I'll get PDF files also, but you have to take care about running notes. Along with that, you need to be get maintain one particular proper notebook. Please take care about all the things here. All the online students also, I'll clarify all your questions. I'll give you the time to get clarify all your questions here. Just please make a note of all these particular things. I'll take care about in clarifying all your questions. All the online students also, please take care about all that particular things. Done. Okay, right. So now just take with the new heading, write with the new heading. All the online students also take with the new heading and write with the main heading. Mention that why testing required. Take with the main heading in mentioning that why testing required. Write with the main heading why testing required. So this is what our main concept need to be started. So till now, I'm just taking care about and giving the information of what exactly our training program is related to, what are the concepts we are going to learn as part of the training program. So that is what I have been given the information. So till now, we have not started any of our actual concepts here. Just making sure that in giving the information, what exactly you are taking care about in learning as part of our training program, which need to be get started with taking care about our main concepts here. So that particular main concepts we need to be get started with a very first step and the very most important one. What is it? Why testing required? I mean, while attending with the interviews, either you can take care about in attending with fresher level interview or experience level interview. 100% you can expect with the question. In maximum of all the interviews, in maximum of all the interviews, you can take care about in having with the question in asking that why testing has been required. Indirectly, indirectly, why testing job or why tester has been required in this particular current market. That is what we need to be get very clear in taking care about in understanding with the main concept of our training program. So what is our training program? What is our training program? Software testing. That is what our training program. So in that particular training program, first we are taking care about manual testing. Not like directly I'm starting with automation testing. First I need to take care about in complete with manual. After that only taking care about automation testing. So as part of manual, first I'll start with in taking very basic in mention that what is that particular testing and why testing required. From there, we are starting with our actual concept, very basic concept, and from there, step by step, I'll be getting increasing with other concepts and I'll be closing with your training program with a very advanced level. So don't be worried about the training part. Please take care about attending with the sessions regularly and please take care about doing the practice regularly. How to do the practice, how you can take care about in installing the application or accessing the application, everything I will explain. Don't be worried about in learning all the things in one day. Don't be hurry in learning all the things in one day. It will take some time to learn all the concepts here. My training program, it will go in a little bit slow manner. Day to day, you will be learning with all the concepts here. But please take care about attending the sessions regularly, because as already you are knowing, there is no concept of recordings in my training program. If you are paying the extra amount also, you are not able to get any recordings here. The reason, the reason you are not able to get the recordings in my training program, the reason, one reason, as I was in a real-time employee. And the second reason, as part of my training program, if you attend with the sessions on regular basis, daily basis, very easily you can learn the concept, not required again to go through the recordings here. In that level, I'll be giving with the training part. Because of that, there is no concept of recordings in my training program. But in a place of that, you will be getting the PDF file. What exactly the concepts I'm discussing it, each and every concept, it has been documented in the PDF file. So what is that PDF file? How you can access? Everything I'll be providing. For you batch, one Google Classroom will create it. For now, there is no Google Classroom. So in this way, you will be able to see that having with the Google Classroom here. So in that particular Google Classroom, day to day, whatever the concepts we are discussing it, everything I'll take care about in uploading all the things in that particular Google Classroom. So related to that particular PDF files also, everything you will get in that particular PDF file. So for your batch, still it is not exactly created. It will get created in this week, and then you will be getting the communication. So I'll take care about in writing all the exams as part of the training program. Everything will be done for getting the job as a fresher level or experienced level. What are the things has been required? Everything I'll take care about. But please take care about in attending the sessions regularly. Please look into that. Still, I'm seeing some of the people are coming without notebook. New members, okay. But I can remember all the faces who are attending the sessions, who are not attending it. So please take care about having one proper notebook for my session. So along with notebook, along with the notebook, pen also. That pen should be full. Not like pen should be full. Pen should be working. Don't test in the classroom here. Pen should be working. Please get it habit with my training program. Slowly, you need to be become a habit of in my training part, because you need to avoid using all the mobiles in the classrooms here. So while coming to the sessions only, please inform to all your friends or anyone. So making with the calls, you can say that you're attending with the sessions. Please take care about all the activity. Okay. So from tomorrow, I'll start with our main